All right, hello. August 20, 2025. Trying a new setup here, I believe. Trying to test out the natural lighting. So this is why you have me here. And yeah, let me start sharing my screen here. I also decided that I think putting the prompt in my usual prompt. So let me show you here. Daily much maybe for 15 minutes. Maybe we'll extend the chat as we go throughout the stream, but I think there's too much material to cover in 15 minutes. And so I'm going to try. I have what I want to do is I follow Matt Wolf, who is currently, I believe, the GOAT in AI news. Shout out, Matt. And I want to go over his newsletter, and then maybe we do it like day by day. So like Monday will be news, Tuesday will be tools, Wednesday would be like AI concepts. So we'll see how that goes. But first and foremost, let's go ahead and see what's going on in Matt's newsletter, because I subscribe to his newsletter. He has all the AI updates here. All right, let's see. Future Tools, subscribe to his newsletter because this is where I get my stuff, and his channel. So shout out, Matt, for all the work you do there. Exciting news. It looks like he's been nominated for the Eugentic Awards in AI category. Guilty as charged. Okay, cool. I'm keeping a close eye on any new Gemini announcements from the Made by Google 2025 event starting later today. Updates to come in Friday's edition. I think it's pretty cool that Matt also goes. It seems like he goes to all of the conferences or latest ones for AI, so makes sense. All right, this week's AI news. Anthropic gives Claude an off switch for abusive chats. I feel like this is the second time I've seen something like this where AI is trying to get more sensitive with kind of boundaries for like younger people. But let's see what this is about. Anthropic is rolling out a new safeguard in Claude Opus 4 and 4.1, the ability to end conversations in extreme cases of persistent abuse or harmful requests. That's probably smart to do. How it works: Claude will only end chats after multiple failed attempts at redirection or when a user explicitly asks it to. It won't use this feature if the user is in immediate danger of harming themselves or others. That's good. Yeah, they should not harm other people. Okay, I don't know. That doesn't seem too exciting to me right now. Sam Altman calls it bubble. Yes, I think we talked about this yesterday, and that makes a lot of sense. I'm excited, locked and loaded with cash, ready to invest. I think I was watching Graham's video recently, and he's like, "There's been so many bubbles, even like in '87 when I was born. Obviously, the 2000 dot-com bubble, the 2008 recession, and then of course the pandemic. So, learning from those, I'm ready, locked and loaded." What it means. Okay, so what do you think? Are we in a bubble? I like that little call to action. We're trying to get a little inspiration. A newsletter might be in our future here as well as we build up an audience. Okay, Grammarly rolls out AI agents for students and educators. Interesting. Okay, Grammarly doesn't really excite me too much. Sponsored. Code faster, ship smarter with Corbett AI. What the hell is this? Surfaces high impact issues, explains how to fix them and respond to your comments. Okay. Although we're not good at this, I'm trying to find a good way to kind of just like headline intuitively what things are. And I think that's a challenge for most products and stuff. So even for us, it's hard to do. Amazing future tools for creativity, sketch to animation, right in your browser. Okay. Is a lightweight, no sign-up animation canvas for sketching ideals and turning them into simple motion. Draw on a whiteboard, set timings on a full timeline, and add transition images. Okay. For productivity, see and build your AI visibility. No, that doesn't really excite me. Everything else. Meta overhauls its AI org. Yes, we saw that. Blah, 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 blah. Just to watch. Matt likes to talk about the drama within all of the billionaires out there. So decent. I think we'll probably try to model off something like this, but my vision's more of like, I like one sentence blurbs, and it feels like I have to navigate through this and kind of understand what's happening. So not really my cup of tea, but we'll see how that goes. All right, let's get back to it here. Let me bring up my AI Made Simple drive, and I'm gonna see what kind of ideals or things I had for myself today. Prompting, okay, zoom in more, highlight text along the way, read more clearly. So I'm trying to read more clearly. Pickle, something. I did Matt newsletter and channel, so I guess I might as well show that as well. Let's see. Matt's YouTube channel, Matt Wolf. I'm gonna give him a little shout out because he is my current inspiration. So maybe one day, Matt, we can collaborate, and hoping to catch you one day in the subscriber AI space, but this is Matt Wolf. So go to his page, give him a subscribe, add notifications. I watch all of his stuff because it's a good way for me to ingest AI news while I'm working out and weekly and stuff like that. Okay, so I guess we have time. Let's go ahead and go through our prompt, and I'm going to try to dissect these a little more, so there's a little more time. So let's see what happened in 2025 or on August 20th. A bubble tech stocks. Yes, was this today? I thought yes. Okay, it is. Let's see. Maybe it's still like people are still talking about it. So let's see. NVIDIA stock sinks on fears of AI bubble. Okay, kind of soon, but okay, that's today. We talked about that. Trending AI tool. Oh, I see. I think I've only asked it to do one article, which is good. Fresh. Okay, cool. That's fine. More concise. Let's see. Trending AI tool demo. Lumio. What does it do? Okay. Okay. Access multiple AI models like GPT. Oh, I like this. I like this. Okay, let's try this. We saw this we saw something like this, and maybe it's the same one a few months ago. So check it out really quick. This makes a lot of sense because we use right now GPT for most, well, okay, on my phone, I default to Grok for any like random Google searches that I want to do through AI. I use GPT on my laptop. And then copywriting, I still believe Claude's the best copywriter. So let's just see where this goes here. I'll do one simple search. Okay, let's see. Let's see what actually the prompt says. Type 1 prompt, write a whimsical haiku about coffee. Okay. Select different AI models and compare how they answer side by side. Okay, let's see. Where is this? Boom. Sign in to continue. I'm going to go with a Google account. All right, I think it did it. So let's try doing this again. I will share my screen. All right, here we go. Here we go. Write a whimsical haiku about coffee. Let's see what you got. So, okay, just did it through GPT, but what's the point of that? There's another, oh, I see, maybe you could choose, okay. I wonder if you can do there was one, I forgot what it was, but there's an AI wrapper or something which had like, you can put different windows, so you can have like ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, and Gemini in one, and switch those out, and you type one prompt and it shows them all four. So this is not exactly what I thought it was, unless I don't know how to use it. I don't see why this is useful if we have to keep changing the models. So let me just try, I don't know, Gemini, I guess. Yeah, I don't like this. Let's see, AI is thinking. Okay, I don't like that you have to do this. Maybe I might be using it incorrectly, but again, there's another one. I gotta find it. But yeah, I think that's a good try. Beginner AI concept. AI in Hollywood. AI in the creative pipeline. Easy explanation. AI is now helping filmmakers pre-visualize scenes and edit effects faster in Hollywood from storyboards. That's amazing. Think of AI in a film like a sketch artist who can draw 100 versions of a scene. Yeah, I mean, Kayla and I are using Opus AI right now for this channel, and it's crazy because basically with one click, we can just do one long and it'll just clip it into shorts and post it on all the platforms. So that's been really, really useful. It didn't really give me the concept that I want. So let's see. So give me a list of AI concepts in the physical world I should learn about. Give me a list of, I'll say 20A, learn about to be more informed as an AI channel. Let's see what it comes up with here. Blah, 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 blah. GPUs, yes, this is exactly, okay, perfect. This is what I'm looking for. So maybe as we go through, how many times we got, oh, okay, well, we can do one of these. I think I'm gonna add these into my drive here. Okay, make the list with only the concepts and no description. Okay, I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna add it to my, oh, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna add it to my AI spreadsheets for tomorrow or this week. And we can just go through them little by little. Ideas for future content. I'm gonna grab this, GPUs, etc. Boom, okay. And I'll do one of these before we sign off here. Okay, whatever goes there. All right, so let's see what we got. Okay, let me pick one. Power grids of AI cooling systems. We did that. Tell me more about this one. I'm here. Tell me more about this. All right. All right, great pick. Networking and latency is one of the least flashy but most crucial parts of how AI actually works in the physical world. Here's the breakdown. What it is, networking, the cables, switches, and routers that physically connect AI machines. Think of it, yes, okay. Latency, the time it takes for data to travel between machines. Think of it as traffic, or yeah, that makes sense. Why it matters, training huge AI models requires thousands of GPUs working together. If networking is slow or unstable, the GPUs spend more time waiting. High latency equals wasted compute power, like a traffic jam, and interference also depends on this, especially, I never, see, we take all this for granted, like things just work, but there's this whole infrastructure behind AI, physical infrastructure that works behind AI. Okay, inside data centers, AI companies use ultra-fast fiber optics, yes, okay, makes sense. Fun analogies, that's fine. Common misconception, people think GPUs alone make it fast. Reality, bad networking bottleneck, even, that makes sense. I mean, we could put a GPT prompt and not get a response back because maybe we're just not getting the network connection, so cool. All right, well, let me know if you guys have any topics for the future, and see you guys tomorrow. All right.